In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Afterpay to Stripe easily and in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to expand your payment options or simply want to provide your customers with greater flexibility, Afterpay is a fantastic addition to consider. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to stripe.com. This is where you'll start the process. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll find this option typically at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the next step, which is entering your login credentials. Now enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Take a moment to ensure that these details are correct to avoid any login errors. Once you've done that, click the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Logging in successfully will grant you access to all the necessary settings and configurations. Upon logging into your Stripe dashboard, you'll want to head over to the Home section. This will serve as your main navigation point from where you can easily access different settings. From here, you'll need to locate and click on the Settings option. Generally, you can find this option at the bottom or side menu of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a new range of options tailored for different aspects of your Stripe account. Within the settings, look out for Product Settings, and under this category you'll want to click on Payments. This part of the process is crucial as it takes you to the section where you'll manage your payment methods. Once in the Payments section, direct your attention to Payment Methods. Here is where the magic happens, as it's the section where you can add, remove or configure payment methods for your Stripe account. Scroll down in the Payment Methods section until you find Afterpay in the list. Once you locate Afterpay, you can proceed to enable it as a payment option in your Stripe account. This will start the process of integrating Afterpay so that your customers can use it for their purchases. And there you have it, the process of adding Afterpay to your Stripe account, made simple and straightforward. By following these steps, you'll be empowering your business with a popular and versatile payment option, enhancing the experience for your customers. Now with Afterpay on board, you're all set to offer more flexible payment schedules, attracting more customers who appreciate the flexibility it brings. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more of our tutorials to optimize your business operations.